If your business runs on the edge, reviews should not depend on somebody remembering to ask at the end of a busy day. The best review request usually happens right after the customer experience, while the visit, service, or purchase still feels fresh. That is where a focused the Edge and Birdeye review trigger workflow can help. The Edge helps jewelry stores manage areas like point of sale, customer management, accounting, inventory, reporting, and store operations. Birdeye can help with review requests, review monitoring, response workflows, listings, reporting, and reputation management. For this video, we are keeping it simple, review triggers only. No reminder campaign, no broad texting rollout, no complicated messaging setup. Just the moment that should start a review request. For the Edge, the review workflow should be mapped around a completed transaction. Birdeye's public. The Edge article lists a transaction trigger that fetches customer data based on completed transactions. In plain English, the business event happens first. Then the approved integration or automation path sends the customer details Birdeye needs for review outreach, such as name, phone number, or email depending on the setup. Birdeye can then send a short text or email asking for feedback. If the customer had a great experience, the message can point them toward leaving a Google review. If something did not feel right, feedback can be routed internally so your team can follow up before it turns into a public review problem. The key is timing. You do not want the review request to go out too early, before the experience is complete. You also do not want it to go out days later when the customer has moved on. The right trigger creates a cleaner, more consistent ask. For a single location, that can mean fewer missed review opportunities and less manual follow-up. For a multi-location team, it can also create better visibility into which locations are earning reviews, which teams need replies, and where customers may be reporting friction. Before launch, the workflow should be checked carefully. Confirm the exact trigger, the customer fields, the send timing, opt-in and compliance expectations, location routing, and who owns replies. ConvertLocal can help review your The Edge process, confirm the right Birdeye review trigger path, write natural review request templates, test the routing, and make sure the workflow feels simple for your team. If you use The Edge and want more consistent Google reviews from the moments that already happen in your business, schedule a personalized demo at ConvertLocal.io.